Hi all. Okay, this is Prasad. You're watching Power BI at Prasad. Today we come up with another free mock interview. So just participate in the mock interview and try to know your skills and then know your review, like your resume review and then your skills review and level up your confidence. Obviously, you can achieve your dream jobs. And if you're still don't know like how to participate, okay, in the mock interviews, free mock interviews, just it's very simple way. You can just send your resume to our email address, which is barbieprofessionals@gmail.com. You can see that in the screen. You can pause the video and then take it down that email address, and then you can send your resume, and our team will contact you and schedule and Barbie interview. So, okay, today we have Hema with us, and then we'll go with the mock interview. So, hi, Hema.
Yeah, hi, Prasad.
Yeah, can you speak a little bit louder so that we can hear us more comfortably?
Yes, yes.
That's fine. Okay. So again, a very good morning today. And then myself, Prasad, I do have like 6 years of experience in Power BI. And then I'm a trainer. I'm an interviewer, okay, on Power BI. So can you let us know something regarding yourself?
Yeah, I'm Hema. I have 4 years of experience in Power BI, and I've done projects on HR application, healthcare, and oil and gas. Uh, the recent project I worked on HR application. It's about the employee details, and we developed reports on the employee details. uh, Means hiring dates, leaving dates, uh, and the head count of the employees, like that. Um, yeah, yeah, that's it, Prasad.
That's fine. Okay. So as you told, you have like 4+ years of experience. That's so nice to hear from you.
Yeah.
So if I ask you like in Power BI, what is the best part that you are expert at? Okay, so maybe like how do you rate yourself in Power BI, in DAX, and in Power BI services?
In Power BI services, I rate on three, around three, and in DAX also 3.5.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so okay, let's go with interview right now on technical content. So
Okay.
right, firstly, like what is the entire Power BI process? So once you got uh, the data, like what is the process until you publish the services to the report to the services? Can you please explain in brief?
Yeah. If we have data means we can get data by using get data in Power BI desktop. Then we have the ETL process where we can extract the data and load the data and transform the data. When getting the data, we can transform if there are any means any duplicates or any the headings of the data is means any means it's a raw data means we have to clean the data, then we have to transform data. In To transform data we can do transformations in Power Query Editor, and we can clean the data, then load to the Power BI desktop. There we can create the reports by using visuals, and we can customize the visuals uh, according to the requirement and in Power BI desktop. Then we can publish to the service. There we can create dashboards, and then we have testing. After that we have production.
That's fine. Okay, so let's suppose you told that the very first process is ETL. That's fantastic. So in ETL, let's go with one or two questions, and then we'll move to some other. So let us suppose I do have a data, a column in which I got my country, state, and city clubbed. Let's
Mhm.
suppose US, and we got Texas, and in that, like we got the city name. Okay. So how you will
Okay.
clean this process, clean the data, how you'll get this one column into three different columns?
We have split column in Power Query Editor. Uh, this data does have any delimiters
Yeah,
like
obviously you
space.
have a comma as a delimiter.
Yes, in split column we have some other options like delimiter. By delimiter we can means we have comma, right? From that we can split that columns.
That's fantastic. Let us suppose like we got sales of different people, okay, for different products, okay. So if I want to know like, okay, the sale date, what is the day in that particular week? So how can we do that? Let us suppose we got several dates for several orders. Each order
Mm.
on what day of the week does we got that particular order? I was just want to know. So how can we do this?
We can find out the week number by using the week function.
I'm not asking the week number. What is the day of the
Uh,
week? Let us suppose it is Tuesday. I want to get second day. So if that is third, okay, so I want to get Wednesday, that is third, something like that. Okay, so
Yeah, you were asking about uh, the table contains the Monday, Tuesday, like that.
I do have different dates, right? Beside
Okay.
each date, I need to get, okay, what is the day of the week? Let us suppose the date belongs to a week of like
Mm.
Wednesday. I just need to have information like, okay, that is the third day. If I had a date which is like Tuesdays, I need to have information of two, like second day, something like that. So how can you do that in ETL? I'm not asking using the DAX.
Okay.
That's fine. If you're not comfortable, you can skip the question and then we can go for the next question.
Okay.
Okay, that's fantastic. So we'll go for the DAX and we will check with some other scenarios. Okay, right now, I'll show you some data over here, right? Simply how the data was. So able to see the data, simply some finance data. Are you able to see my screen?
One second. One second. Okay. Yeah.
That's fine. So here I want to find, okay, I do have like country, product, and then sales. Okay, so for different products and on different days. Okay, this kind of information is there. I want to find second country based on the total sales of that particular country.
Okay.
Second top country which has, okay, maximum sales based on the sales, total sales. I want to find the second biggest
Mhm.
country which does maximum sales.
We can use top and DAX function.
Mhm.
Uh, in Token is the filter function. We can use calculate, and by using in calculate, we can use total sales, and otherwise we can do like this in desktop. We can filter. We can filter on visual. In filter on visual, we have top and option. From that, we can do that.
Okay, that's fine. But again, I did not ask a top two countries. I asked the second top country.
Second country based on the total sales.
Yes. Right. That's fine. And then we'll go with another interesting scenario over here, right? Okay. So I want to have monthly, yearly and monthly sales. Got my point, right? Yearly and monthly sales in a matrix. And I need to have ranking for that. Ranking should be in such a way that I should not get any dents or any skip in that particular ranking.
Yeah. By selecting the year and monthly wise categories, by using date table and also sales, then we can view ranking by using rank x function.
If you want to try, you can try, or else you can explain. Okay, go ahead.
No, can you give me the control?
Yes, yes, happily. Like you can take the control, you can request the control. You can, yes. Give me a second. Give me a second. Right. Go ahead. For your convenience, I'll just make the question more comfortable for you, right? Just give me a second. Okay. Right. Okay. So we do have some information over here, which is right customers and the amount, right?
Mm, yes.
Right. So I want to have ranking for this one in such a way that I should not get any dents or any skips over here. It
Okay.
means continuously it need to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that without any dents, without any skip. So how can
Mm.
you do that?
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, okay. Here we got dense to numbers. Okay, please check it out. We got two third ranks and then three, okay, fifth ranks. That is what we don't want. Okay, so we don't need any dense or we don't need any skip. It should be continuous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 kind of things.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, we'll go for the next question. Um,
Can
let's
we use rank function?
it's up to you, like how you want to go. It's completely your wish.
No,
Okay,
without using dense function, we can achieve this.
I didn't understand.
No, means without dense function, uh, means these duplicates 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, right? We can achieve without dense function. Dense.
So I didn't ask, are you telling the answer?
No, no, no. Actually, I'm asking you.
No, right. Okay,
Uh,
so there is a procedure. Okay, so once we finish this, okay, I'll let you know like how okay all this can be done, right?
okay.
Right. So the other question is, right, let us suppose I need sales for a selected year until the selected period. How you can do it? I want the sales of the selected year until the selected period. Let us suppose I do have year selected and I have selected some month in the filter pane. So I need to have sales and for that year until that particular month. How can you achieve this?
Until particular month means we can use total month to date.
I want to sales of the selected year until selected month. Total sales of the particular year, selected year until the selected month. Right. If I select 20, 2023, and if I
Mm,
select May, I need to get all the
mm.
sales until May.
Okay. Are you asking about DAX function or
How you'll do that?
using
Okay,
which?
yes, yes. So, like maybe you can tell me the DAX function, or else you can tell me the procedure. So whatever, however you solve this requirement, please let me know.
By taking slices, we can filter that.
See, I'm not talking about okay for that particular selected period of that particular year. I'm asking for that particular selected year until that particular month. I want to have the total sales.
Mm. No, no idea what to say.
That's fine. So another question which is very related to this one only, but okay, if you understand, if you try to understand this, if can we do this? Okay, so can is it achievable in Power BI or not? Please let me know. Okay, so again, if I have okay year and month, and then I want to show the sales. If the user select one particular month, it uh, it need to show all the sales until that particular month. If the user select more than 1 month, that particular measure or card need to show only the sales of that particular selected months. Is this possible or not? In one single measure or in one single card visual that I need to show. The user select single month in a particular year.
Mm-hmm.
It need to show all the sales and of that particular year until that particular month. If the user selects more than 1 month, it need
Mhm.
to show only the sales of that particular selected months, not until that particular month.
Means total sales or the
Total sales,
all sales in the column.
total, total sales only, right? Okay.
Total. Yeah, yeah, that is possible.
So again, maybe a simple logic that you can tell how you can differentiate between these two.
Month for particular month means we use total MTD.
Okay, that's fine. We'll go into like Power BI services and then I'll ask a couple of questions. What is key difference between report and dashboard?
Uh, report means we can have different reports. From that reports, we can create one dashboard, and we can pin the visuals to dashboard from reports. If we have slicer in report, we can't pin the slicer to dashboard.
Can I take visuals from multiple reports to one dashboard?
Yes, yes, we can take multiple visual from multiple reports to single dashboard.
Let us suppose I have two workspaces. I do have two different reports in two workspaces. So can I take
Okay.
visuals from those two reports and then create a dashboard?
No, from one workspace, which is the dashboard, which is in that workspace only, we can pin the visual.
Okay, that's fine. I just want to share a report to someone else, but I don't want them to like edit that. So what you can do that for this situation?
If they don't edit the report, means we can give the access as viewer.
Okay, that's fine. What's the key difference between premium and pro license?
Yeah, pro license, we have the limit of data size. In pro, it is a 10 GB, and in premium, it's 100 GB. And coming to the schedule refreshes, in pro, it is 8 refreshes per day, and in premium, we have 48 refreshes per day. Um and storage in pro, we don't have the deployment pipeline and paginated reports also. In premium, we have all that. Mm,
So can we create flows in pro?
flows, data flows, we can create data flows in pro, I think.
Mm-hmm. Um, right. So why we use direct query?
Direct query does not have any limit of data size. And the copy of data is directly connected to the source. If we have any, means it's directly connected to the source. That's why if there is any deletion of the data, it's all. Means it's also affect in the desktop also. And that the advantage is the size of the limit only compared to import mode, and and it is directly connected to the source.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, thank you so much for your time. Right. Okay. If you people wanted to know regarding the answers, okay, please watch our real-time scenarios. Please subscribe our channel and then click the bell notification so that you'll get updates of our YouTube channel, and then you will see real-time a lot of real-time scenarios that we are going to see. And then if you need answers of this particular mock interview, please watch our real-time scenarios. And most of the times we will have these things in a detailed explanation in our real-time scenarios. Hope you all like this video. We'll come up with another video. Until then, bye-bye. And before closing this, one more, uh, right, um, thing that we are also having trainings on Power BI and SQL with one real-time project and then two pilot projects. If you're still interested, please contact us on the given numbers in the description. So hope you understand. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video. Until then, okay, we'll come up with a new video, new mock interview sessions. Okay, until then, have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.